the story of this scene is Marcia regains control. Marcia regains strength. Marcia regains courage. Marcia regains hope. And because of this captain, why is the captain there? Why is he even written in? Obviously, we need a captain of the boat, but he's there as the vessel to the mother to regain this control, a reminder that you are a mom, you know what you know your son, are you really hopeless, you person who has never lost hope? Right. He just reminds her of hope. Yeah. So he's a reminder of light and hope. And so we need to tell that story by changing. In order to have the change, we need to start with something. So we start with being hysterical, being completely everything that you think that Marcia should be when she's being told to calm down. My son is bobbing. If I'm lucky, he's bobbing in that endless sea. He's so scared. Who knows what's happening to him, right? So someone's telling you to calm down. So at that moment, it's hair, it's like the veins, it's like you're at that 100, and the story is him taking you down to a stable 10. So while he's giving, ma'am, there are over 200 personnel, and almost when he says, I would knowingly put their lives at risk, and leaves me breaking, because at that point it's the breaking. Or at least when he says, what would I tell their mothers? Yeah. And then that's when it hits you. That's then the last beat change. When you would be hearing these words, what I gather, he's a former college athlete. That's good. He understands endurance. He's used to pushing himself. You're like, I mean, what do you think? Yeah. What are you thinking? Give a fuck, right? Well, or are you saying, you're telling me what I already know, and you know what, you're right.
Oh, okay.
He is. Yeah. He is strong. I remember.
So he has a chance at this.
Yeah, and that's why you're saying how long. It's almost like, let's get this stupid storm over with and get him. Yeah. Because, and I think, as at least for me, if I'm hearing someone say former college athlete, I'm thinking about the games we went to and the tailgating. And I remember when he first picked up a football, and yes, he could do those leg squats longer than any other kid. And then you're thinking like, and through your face, the tiniest little relaxation of your muscles tells the story that he's going to be okay. Because at the end of this movie, what happens? He's okay. And then I think those tears dry up when it says, my bones tell me he's still alive. And that is you saying, I know, a mother knows, and he's out there. He's bobbing, but he's out there. Yeah. So as long as you have that conviction, that's the end of the story is, my bones tell me he's alive. And it has to be totally for sure.